Hey guys, it's been more than a week since Apple has released its iOS 14 developer beta version. If you still haven't downloaded it, I'm going to tell you how to. Let's go. First, you gotta open Safari, okay, and go to betaprofiles.com. Go ahead, yeah, okay. Now you have to scroll down and find iOS beta profile and just click download and the profile. Make sure you use Safari for this. Click allow in the pop-up and your profile is downloaded. You're good to go. So you have to go back to settings now. Just go back to settings and click profile downloaded and click install. Now go back to software update and you can find iOS 14 developer beta version waiting to be installed. And check out this double tap feature. You can like configure it to do almost anything. I like made it to like take a screenshot and it's amazing. I'm loving this feature. Please check it out guys once you have installed the iOS 14 developer beta version. Thank you and have a nice day.